Once upon a time, in a small village, Resovenca in Spain, there lived a young boy, Leo. Leo was known for his unwavering determination and strong will. He was passionate about running and dreamed of becoming a world-class athlete. However, Leo was born with a weak leg, which made it difficult for him to run as fast as the other children in the village. Despite his physical limitation, Leo never gave up on his dream. He would wake up early every morning and practice running, pushing himself to go faster and further each day. The villagers admired his dedication and often cheered him on during his practice session. One day, the renowned coach Mr. Thompson visited Resovenca. He had heard about Leo's determination and wanted to see the young boy in action. As he watched Leo run, Mr. Thompson was impressed by the boy's spirit and decided to take him under his wing. Under Mr. Thompson's guidance, Leo's running skills improved significantly. He learned new techniques and strategies to overcome his weak leg and gradually become faster. The villagers were amazed by his progress and started calling him the Unstoppable Leo. Years passed, and Leo's hard work paid off when he was selected to represent his country in an international running competition. The entire village gathered to bid him farewell, and they couldn't be prouder of their local hero. At the competition, Leo faced some of the fastest runners in the world. He knew it would be a tough challenge, but he was determined to give it his all. As the race began, Leo started strong, keeping up with the other athletes. However, halfway through the race, he stumbled and fell, injuring his weak leg. The pain was unbearable, but Leo remembered the word of his coach, Mr. Thompson, who had always told him, "Never give up, no matter the circumstances." With tears in his eyes, Leo picked himself up and continued running, limping with every step. The crowd watched in awe as Leo persevered, refusing to quit despite his injury. His determination and courage inspired everyone in the stadium. Although he did not win the race, Leo crossed the finish line to a standing ovation from the crowd. When he returned to Resovenca, Leo was welcomed as a hero. His story of resilience and determination spread far and wide, inspiring people across the world to never give up on their dreams, no matter the obstacles they faced. Leo's legacy lived on in the village, and every year the people of Resovenca organized a race in his honor, celebrating the power of persistence and the importance of never giving up. And so the legend of the Unstoppable Leo continued to inspire generations to come, proving that with determination and hard work, anything is possible.